In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add flight details to your Google Calendar automatically. This is a fantastic feature that can save you a lot of time and ensure you never miss an important flight. It's perfect for frequent travelers or anyone who likes to keep their travel plans organized without the hassle of manual entries. Let's dive in and get started. First, head over to your Google Calendar. You can do this by visiting the Google Calendar website on your browser. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see a gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Clicking on this will bring up a drop-down menu from which you'll select settings. Once you are in the settings menu, you will want to navigate to the general section. To find it, you may need to glance at the sidebar or scroll slightly, but it should be relatively easy to spot. This section contains a variety of settings that you can adjust for your calendar, including the feature to have events added from your Gmail. Keep scrolling within the general section until you reach events from Gmail. This is the crucial part for our task today. Here you'll see options related to how your Gmail interactions sync with your Google Calendar. What you're looking for is a checkbox option that says show events automatically created by Gmail in my calendar. Make sure this box is checked. By selecting this option, you're enabling Google Calendar to automatically pull information from any flight confirmation email sent to your Gmail and place those details directly into your calendar. This includes all necessary information like flight times, dates, and potentially even the carrier. It's a simple yet powerful way to streamline your schedule without the need for constant manual updates every time you book a flight. Now going forward, whenever you receive a flight confirmation email in your Gmail, the details will automatically appear in your Google Calendar. This seamless integration ensures that you have all your travel information readily available at a glance, reducing the chance of missing a flight or getting the timing wrong. And there you have it, a straightforward way to automatically track your flights using Google Calendar. If you find managing travel details challenging, using this feature can be a real game changer. Remember that this only applies to the account you're setting it up for, so you'll want to make sure you're logged in with the correct Google account that you receive flight confirmations on. Thanks for watching and happy traveling.